Hi everyone, it's Neil here, also known as the Wax Whisperer. I hope you've all had a great weekend. So I've got another procedure that I'm uploading today. It's of a client who needs to attend almost every 6 months to have his right ear cleared. His left ear is typically clear of wax. Sometimes that can happen. We don't know quite why. I've got many clients who just seem to secrete and develop wax from one ear. The most obvious reason would be the anatomy of the ear. So wax generally migrates on its own accord. The ear's a conveyor belt, it secretes wax, and as the skin sheds it migrates, and as the skin migrates it takes with it the wax. So it could just be in this client's ear, maybe the skin migration is more effective than his opposite ear. It could also be due to the ear anatomy, as I alluded to. If you've got a narrowing of the ear or twists and bends, that can also cause the wax to get impacted as it's trying to migrate. The consistency of the earwax can also be a pivotal role. If you've got really dry, hard earwax, there's a lot of friction against the canal wall as it's migrating. And also conversely, if you've got very soft, sticky wax, in this case, that's exactly what this client has. His wax is quite sticky. It sticks to the canal wall as it's migrating. So in this particular procedure, I'm just trying to get a suction grip. You may have seen before, I was lifting the wax of the posterior canal wall. It's important when you do get a suction grip, you don't want to press too hard with the Zollner suction probe because it can quite easily get blocked. It's a lot of touch and feel, kinesthetic feel, and you just want to get enough suction grip onto the wax and then delicately wriggle in concentric circular motions, as I'm doing, to ease the wax out. And it's always very satisfying when you can remove the wax out in one big lump, as I have in this case. You could see by the colour of the wax, it's quite dark. That means it's been in the ear canal for quite a while. Lovely, healthy eardrum there. And the reason why wax gets darker the longer it's been in there is due to the oxidization process. So I've always compared it to an apple or avocado. As you cut it, it oxidizes and turns into a dark brown colour. I hope you'll enjoy that video, and you will see here a still image. Again, I would like to thank all my loyal followers and subscribers. If this is the first time you've watched one of my videos, please do feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification bell so you'll get notified as and when I upload new videos. And again, I would like to thank all my Facebook followers and subscribers. Have a great rest of the day. Thank you.